Hello everyone, I'm here with Joseph. He's going to be talking to us about gutter protections. Hi Joseph.
Hi, what's going on, guys?
Good,
It's
just
Joseph.
tell me what is the gutter protection? What's all about?
Yeah, so currently with Leaf Filter, what this is, what the actual product itself is this gutter protection system. So what it is, it's scientifically engineered stainless steel microfibers that sits on this metal extrusion. So as you can tell from right here, these shingles are trying to get inside of it, but nothing could get inside of it. Not even little bits of string could get inside of it. So.
And of course, like when you put this gutter protection, then you'll have a peace of mind about the
You do have a peace of mind.
Leaves getting into the gutter.
It's also a very
dust, dirt.
It also prevents many wildfires just because it sits, a lot of dry leaves sits on top of gutters, and sometimes when we're in California, very drought, very dry here. So sometimes when there's a fire out here, embers fly around everywhere, and sometimes it could cause big house fires, which is a great system. Well, which is the reason why we offer something as well like this.
Is it expensive to actually install this gutter protection?
No, not typically. So usually what happens is that somebody from our marketing team reaches out to the clients or the potential customer. They tell them, hey, we got your information through one of our salespeople. We want to come out there. We want to give you, you guys a free estimate, no obligation. So they go out there. It all just really depends on the quality, like the material our people use, such as our installers, the material they use, and also on top of that, the length of what we use it for. There's 5 inches and then there's 6 inches.
So how long it will take to actually for a normal house like 2,500 square foot house, how long will it take to replace it?
If I'm being completely honest with you, I honestly don't know how long it would take to actually get something like that. That sounds like a really big job. Honestly, maybe about a week or two.
And I guess too, it depends on
the material and
it depends on like because
and how big the house is and everything like that. The type of material they want. It really all just depends on the customer and how fast our installers get the job done.
How many linear foot also?
I'm sorry, what?
How many linear foot?
It just depends on how much the customer wants and how big the house is.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Joseph.
Yeah, no problem. I appreciate you.
You guys have a good show.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Appreciate it, brother. Thank you.